Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to disable right-click on Shopify store. So all you have to do is just simply go to your Shopify account. And if you want to duplicate your store here or your theme here, all you have to do is simply go to the three dots and click duplicate. So the reason why I did this is because I wanted to do tutorial, but I want to use my duplicate version. I don't want to use my original one. So let's go to this part here. Now to start, you have to go to edit code, and then here you have to click this theme that liquid. And then I'm going to show you, if you have not yet add this code, then you can simply right click anywhere to your store, right? So what I'm going to do here is to show you how to add this code in order for you to disable right click on your Shopify. So as you can see, we have here head. All you have to do is just simply paste that code below this head symbol. It's above here. Okay. So all you have to do is just simply enter, and then you can now paste the code right here. Once done, click save. Now, here's the thing. Unfortunately, if you're using the old version of Windows, or if everything in your device is, old version, I'm so sorry, but the disable right click will not work. So always make sure that you're using the latest version of your Windows and you're using a latest gadget. So that's it. And if you want to do some changes and you want to see it right away, so you can simply add this one symbol and then type start of the code disable click on Shopify or disable right click on Shopify store. And then also you can add to the last part, you can type here and code of the disable right clicking. Okay, so first we have start of code to disable the right clicking, and then here and code to disable right clicking. And then once done, all you have to do is to click save. So always take note that this one is only for those who are using latest versions of Windows or other gadgets. You can find the link to Shopify in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.